From fall 2022 to spring 2023, our team, CNC Upgrades, performed retrofits to an Intelitek ProLight 1000 CNC Milling Machine and a ProLight Turning Center, or CNC Lathe. CNC stands for Computer Numerically Controlled. However, these machines showed ever-decreasing functionality because they are over 20 years old. They are located in the Production and Fabrication Processes ME121 lab at South Dakota State University. Alongside our project advisor, Dr. Todd Letcher, we restored these machines to their former glory and elevated the user experience for prospective students or faculty with our software solution, Mach 3, which is useful for educational purposes owing to its intuitive buttons and displays. This is how we did it. We did this through trial and error, referencing online forums and articles, browsing YouTube videos from practicing hobbyists, and reaching out to industry experts on topics outside our scope. We were able to successfully perform these retrofits as a proof of concept that it is possible to yield economically affordable results for outdated machines at a fraction of the cost of buying new machines.
And here we are for our final piece, proving that the retrofits has been successful on this lathe and it's now fully operational and ready for operations. Thank you for watching.